Dave. Look, you'd rather clap Tony's head. There you go. Boy, oatmeal. Looks like the right consistency. Alright. You getting them, man?
Mm-hmm.
How they look? Pretty good, pretty lit. Pretty
Yeah.
lit.
They look like they're getting lit.
Come on, hey, now look, only one bite now, you're already not paying attention. Turn around. Come on. Alright, here. Hey, Dave. Well, I offered it to you. Here now, dummy. Come on. Open that big trap. Oatmeals. Oatmeals. Oh boy, I know you'll just love it. Come on, sit up here now. Come on. Dave wants his, and he wants it right now. Look. Here. Come on now, don't play in the piece that I dropped. Alright. Patience, have patience, boy, have patience. Here. Now look. Come on. You guys, I'm gonna pulverize you. Hey. Order. Take it easy. Come on now, let's eat this stuff. Come on. Come on. Munch. Here. We gotta take them outside then, maybe out in the backyard, mess around, maybe we can get them to do some
Backflips.
Backflips, yeah. You guys wanna do some gymnastics out in the backyard then? Come on. How are you getting their faces? Your faces lit up pretty decent?
Yeah.
Tell you what we can do. Come here. Back you up. Okay? How's that? Can you get them better?
Yep.
They lit up how? Don't fall forward. Come on. Now you don't have to come that far forward. I can get you. You can reach it. Hey. Look here. Tony. You like them airplanes, huh? Here. Right in the old open hangar there. Look here. Here. Oh man. You slob. Look what you did to your bibs, boy. Jeez. You slobbed them up already. You weren't even in them more than 20 minutes. Boy.
Yeah, that would be good.